Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life series. Here we are with part 92, and we're talking now about slowing down your thoughts. I find this one particularly interesting because naturally we think, oh, I want my thoughts to be faster, I want to be better, I want to be that kind of stuff. And he's saying, no. See, we think so many thoughts all the time that we don't actually get to process them all. We just are swarmed by so many thoughts that it's just like, it just drowns out even all the useful information. We just get hit by boom, 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 like 60,000 thoughts every minute, every second. And it's just so ridiculous we can't take in all that information. So he's saying instead, let's slow it down. Let's get the useful stuff out of our thoughts. Let's just kind of slow down. We'll take it easy, and we'll make it work. We'll just do that. And I think that that's a lot of what it's about, is taking it slowly. Because a lot more love, a lot more accomplishment happens with things going slowly. When you're at ease, when you're confident, when you're calm, a lot more can be done. But when you're so fast and you're so rapid and you're just going on and on and on and on with all your thoughts, you can't really have that experience. So slow down your thoughts. And slow down some of your life as well. We don't always have to just get to the goal in 10 seconds. We can take it slow, we can smell the roses, we can enjoy things, and we can still make it to our goals. So I would say slow your thoughts, and I would take it like a step further and say slow your life down a little bit as well. That is about it for part 92. I will see you guys next time with part 93, so stay tuned for that.